Hi all, yep, just a quick video on how to replace the lights behind the AC cluster. So currently it has these little bulbs here, and I just wanted to fit it with the sort of more modern, brighter LEDs. So I've got a bunch of these LED bulbs here, really cheap, just from somewhere in Asia. So to remove this, you basically pull off all of these knobs underneath here. So it's got the one knob there, and there's sort of 3 or 4 there. Pull off the switches for the hazards and the lights. You then can access the one screw which is here, and then to make it much easier, I then removed the 2 screws here holding this unit on. And then you can, as you can see, you can pull this whole unit backwards, and then you can basically effectively just bend over the side there slightly in order to be able to remove this panel here, take it out. I then had to use a very small screwdriver to basically wedge gently into the gap there, into the sides, and then use the these sort of long nose pliers to gently grip the bulb. Obviously push it in slightly, twist it out, and then insert the new one using the pliers as well. You probably could use your fingers as well, but I certainly needed this, otherwise I found that my bulb holders would push backwards in. So yeah, you definitely need to sort of grip the edge of it ever so slightly with a small screwdriver. Yep, and they all look good. And also take off the knobs here. That these will just pull off. I don't know if they're sided, but I put them carefully to one side. And when there's just some 13mm washer and nuts holding the radio plate in there, and boom, obviously a lot brighter. It's difficult to tell, of course, until you put the actual unit in, but I mean, you can kind of like get the idea sort of how much better, or how much brighter it should be. Obviously it hasn't got that sort of yellow look, but it'll look a lot better in my opinion. And then I'll do the lights as well for the cluster at some point as the next lot, as well as all the other bulbs in there, apart from I think the alternator one, I think it was, we don't need to replace. And there we go. So now I'm going to install it back together again and get a few pictures. And that's how you do it. Excellent, cheers.